When installing a toilet flange like this, make sure you have a space underneath there because you're going to have tile and a finished floor. Let me show you this. Get some 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch OSB and then create a template. See how we draw around this? Then we use a saw to cut around this, and then we place this hole here, this template around the donut shape around that flange to create our spacer for our tile or finished floor. So now we have this nice ring. It'll fit right on top of here, and it'll create our gap in between the subfloor and for the toilet and to allow for the tile. Drop that in there. Drop our flange in there and then screw it in. You can see a nice finish gap there for our tile.